It's autumn. And you know what that means? Well, it means many things, but one exciting part about it is that we can start working on a autumnal/Halloween wreath. Autumn is definitely one of my favorite seasons, and if you feel similarly, then you're probably just as excited to get to work on this craft that celebrates autumn. So the wreath that I will be making in this video cost under $20 or under £15 if you're in the UK. I also included some links for people in the US below. I tried to find a similarly priced wreath as well as similarly priced decorations for the wreath. But of course you can use any sort of wreath as a base and any decorations that you wish to use. So here is what I use for my wreath in this video. A wreath as the base for my decorations, and then I got this decorations pack that included some berries, acorns, pumpkins, and leaves. And then I also used my glue gun to secure any decorations in place as needed. Okay, so let's begin. I started by simply placing the leaves on the wreath just to kind of get an idea of how I wanted them arranged. And once I got an idea and I was happy with the placement and the order of the leaves, I decided to start out by adding in the berries first. Well, the berries were okay to just put on because they had a little stem sticking out that I could use to secure them in place. I used a hot glue gun for all the other decorations, such as the leaves, acorns, and the pumpkins. I tried to keep all the leaves following into the same direction, and I just mimicked that onto the other side. And in the end, I kind of just went and did it by eye, as I had no experience with wreath making, and it was also just kind of fun to go ahead with the process and not worry too much about being too technical with my placement. Once I finished placing all my leaves and gluing them down, I started playing around with the decorations by just placing them around the wreath and seeing what I was happy with. Unfortunately, I did glue on the first pumpkin, which I ended up not liking the position of, so I ended up ripping it out with one of the leaves as well. But in the end, it turned out okay. I was pretty happy with the outcome, and I was excited to hang it outside my door. So this is what it ended up looking like in the end. I've left a list with all the links to all the items that I've used for this project in the description below. And if you end up making a wreath following my video, please tag me on social media. All my handles are in the description below, as I would love to see your creations. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will try my best to answer them. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking it or subscribing to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye! Psst, hey, it's me. I'm still here. Please enjoy this montage of my wreath.